morning class. Today what we are going to do is model test paper 1. So towards the last few pages of your books we have done UT 1 and UT 2, that was based on chapters number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now we are going to do the model test paper 1, that is again based on chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will revise all the 4 of our chapters. Okay, so let's move to the content. Please watch the video carefully and come up with your doubts. Whatever you have, note down, and after the video we will meet over WhatsApp. So we'll be doing MP1, chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Class 3 will be doing model test paper 1 now, that is based on chapter numbers 1 to 4. I'll be giving you the answers immediately after the video over WhatsApp, so you need not hurry and write neatly later. Okay, so as of now just listen and be with me on these questions. First one is tick the correct answer. Dash is an example of operating system. MS Word, Windows or calculator? Operating system, Windows. Windows is the correct answer. The device that gives output on a paper is monitor, mouse or printer. So output on a paper is a printer. Number 3, Windows 7 is an example of antivirus, hardware or software. So it is a software. True and false. You can directly switch off the computer from the main switch. Should you do that? No. So this is false. A microphone is used to record sound on a computer. True. CPU does all the processing. True. The working speed of a computer is very fast. So fill in the blanks. Number 1, the working speed of a computer is very fast. Dash is a box-like case that stands near the monitor system unit. Number 3, dash is the first screen that appears after switching on the computer. The desktop screen is the first screen, or you'll write welcome screen is the first screen that appears after switching on the computer. Short answers. On which principle does a computer work? A computer works on the principle of input, process and output, IPO. Then what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine which works very fast and can process millions of instructions, does not get tired. Okay, so I'll give you the exact definition after we are done with the video. What do you mean by storage device? It's a hardware component which is used to store data, and we'll give some few examples here like CD, DVD, hard disk. Okay, these are all storage devices, pen drive. Okay, now what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is a GUI based operating system, and it was developed by Microsoft. Okay, so this will go in the definition, and the exact definition I'll give you after the video. What is data? The raw and unorganized form of facts is called the data. Okay, next answer is So next question is, what are input devices and output devices? The devices used to give instructions to the computer are called input devices, and device which displays the result is called the output device. Okay, and we'll give some examples here. Write down the difference between application software and system software. So application software is the software with which the user interacts with the computer. Okay, and system software is used to do the overall control and management of the system. Okay, now write down the difference between hardware and software. All the physical components which we can touch and feel are called the hardware, and the software is a program which runs on a computer. Okay, it helps us accomplish our tasks, but we cannot touch or feel that. Okay, so I'll give you the exact answers what you have to write in the book, and this finishes our MT1. Okay, thank you so much.